Here I have Motorola G14 and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all I need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, volume down, power key, and we got these screenshots. You can find your screenshots in photos in the special screenshots section. And from here you can share, edit, search with lens, or delete your screenshots, and also perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.